and welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering file transfer and remote access. The last time we covered file transfer and remote access, it was a simple drag and drop method. Today, we're going to try something a little different. Head on over to your virtual host. If you'd like to review how to remote access into a virtual machine, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner or in the video description down below. But if you're like me and you already have a virtual host ready to go, head on over to it. Open the on-screen clipboard by holding down first Control-Alt or Control-Option for those of you who use a Mac. Then press Shift. Under Devices, you will find Shared Drive. And when we discussed drag and drop, that was, of course, with small files. But let's say you want to transfer something a little larger. Select Upload Files. And let's select one of these tutorial videos. A little meta here. Wait for it to download. I've sped this up for the sake of the video. Once your file has downloaded, head on over to this PC and select Remote Access File System on CONS3RT. And there you will find your file. Now let's say you want to download something from your virtual host to your local machine, say a text document. Select that document. Once again, open Remote Access File System on CONS3RT. Select the download folder and then drag your file into download and it will appear in the downloads on your local machine. If you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the other video tutorials on this channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features articles which cover these topics in greater depth. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.